video we have more car and bike, and this time people blunders. So sit back, have a cuppa and watch all these twankers. If you go down to Croydon today, you're sure of a big surprise. On my right, a woman will approach from the right and she'll cross, not this crossing, right in the middle. And then there's another crossing just coming up right now. She picks between two crossings. There you go. And then carry on down. And then this lady crosses, then she realises she's made a mistake. I let her go. She apologised, and that was that. But there was no crossing anyway, you've got to cross there, whatever. There's two nearly collide with me on the right. It's like this woman doesn't, just notices me at the last minute. It's not like I'm hacking through here, I'm doing 5 miles an hour. And then this woman stands where I'm meant to stop at a filter light. She's got a green, yellow or amber and red bike. So now I'm waiting now for the filter to change. And from the left, and then you'll see what happens. Scooter comes out, the lights change. Well, in fact the lights were already red, because just after the green push bike light is actually a red pedestrian crossing. You have to stop at that. This one doesn't know what she's doing. It kills me every time. Yeah, I love going out for rides because you never know what's going to come up next. And then you get these jokers, 3 people on this bloody front loaded bike, travelling at speed. Can you imagine what would have happened if that had hit somebody or run into a pushchair baby? Yeah, you got no chance, have you? Absolutely no chance. Right, in this scene I'm waiting at the lights, and it's almost like people don't know where the crossings are, even though they're quite blatant. Watch this woman. Straight across my lane. The crossing is there, where the dots are. Incredible. Mind you, the way they've done these lights is a bit weird, because on the left there, just out of view, you've got the cycle light, and then you've got a pedestrian crossing right after it, which you have to stop at. But they never stop, they always flash. Right, there you go. Who knows where to cross? Right, this next scene, I'm waiting to turn left, and as I go down, we'll see what happens. Straight out, no indicator, or it blinks on once I think, and he pulls straight out. Don't even wait, don't even look in his mirror to see if I'm there. Where is he? There you go. In this scene, I'm just driving around on the outside of traffic. Now I want to turn left. I get to the traffic lights, so I come down until I find a decent spot to pull in, which I do. Right, I'm not sure about this guy in the black car, so I back off and wait until I get to the lights before I turn left. Just as I'm about to turn, the guy on the scooter was straight in front of the guy in the black car. In this next scene, I'm on my way to Asda's, which I at least do once or twice a week, and a boy racer who's coming up behind me decides he can't be patient and wait. So he follows me down, as you can see. He indicates and turns left into Asda's, but he decides he's going to overtake me on a bend. So you've got this group of cars here on the right, and we get to this corner and he decides, that's it, I'm going to cross you, which he does. We didn't know what was coming around that bend. Anything could have been coming around. Wouldn't have stood a chance of going head on. Again, somebody else's life, you know. In this next scene, I'm coming through Croydon High Street, which obviously probably do a daily trip at least. And all of a sudden, out of the blue, this guy comes flying through, and we stop at the lights. It's the push bike lights, but then he decides, no, I don't need to stop at the lights. I can carry on going. I don't have the same rules as everybody else. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Now, I didn't know this, but there's obviously a special law for builders' lorries. Apparently they're exempt from stopping at traffic lights. It's a rule I didn't even know existed. This guy on the right in the van, he decides I'm going to stop the lights. And plus he's going to overtake me, jump the lights, which are red already, and off he goes. Crazy. What a crazy world. This next scene is in fact the same day at the same junction, or same set of lights, but I'm going to go back. And there were some cars behind me, and so I'm just moving around here, and a couple of cars will drive past me. Anybody could have been coming the other way. Anybody could have been coming the other way. Alright, in this last scene, again coming up towards Croydon High Street, and a guy sticks his nose out. I'll see him in a minute, which he shouldn't be doing. There's no excuse for him to do that because there's no cars in his way, he can see quite plainly. Now I was wondering whether he was going to pull out on me or not. But anyway, this clip was mainly to show more people who don't know where the crossing is, even though it was a matter of, I don't know, probably 15-20 feet away from them. Oh, he did. That's excellent. See? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed these clips. Sorry it was a bit short this time, but I shall get a nice lot to show you in one go. I made a bit of a mess up and I lost some clips. See you again soon.